Hey everyone, this is day 23 of 25 Days of Essentialism. We are wrapping up this series. Today we're talking about leadership as an essentialist and how it impacts a team. So we're on page 243, and there's two bullet points on here. One, he has be ridiculously selective on hiring people. And then below that it has debate until you have established a real clear, not pretty clear, essential intent. And I would actually flip the order of these because you first need to have clarity on what your intent is, what you're about, before you even go about hiring anybody. Because you got to know what that is, what your focus is before you know even who to hire. So there is a quote here. It says, without clarity of purpose, non-essentialist leaders straddle their strategy. They try to pursue too many objectives and do too many things. As a result, their teams get spread in a million directions and make little progress on any. You got to know what your focus is. And let me give you an example. So let's say you run a coffee shop, right? And if your intent is to sell coffee, then you'll sell coffee. But if your intent is to create a living room environment in your coffee house, it's an entirely different feel that you're going for. One is transactional, we just sell coffee to make money, we sell coffee. The other one is really you're selling an experience. And if you think about it, if your experience is what your focus is, how you sell the coffee is entirely different. That's just an example of this. And the other one was be ridiculously selective on hiring people. Here it says, an essentialist, on the other hand, is ridiculously selective on talent. She has the discipline to hold out for the perfect hire, no matter how many resumes she has to read, or interviews she has to conduct, or talent searches she has to make, and doesn't hesitate to remove people who hold the team back. The result is a team full of all-star performers whose collective efforts add up to more than the sum of their parts. You wind up with superstars that are more than the sum of their parts because you chose wisely. The inverse of this is also true. If you put people on your team that are not superstars, it makes it worse. And so it's very, very important to have your team with everybody heading in the right direction. There's alignment on what's important and they know what they're driving for. So if you're an essentialist and you're a leader, if you take a moment and look at your team, do you have superstars on your team? And does everybody on your team know exactly the intent, the focus? If they don't, you know whose fault it is. It's yours. If I'm the leader, it's mine. It is our responsibility to make that clear. And to have a successful, thriving team, that's a part of it. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. This is Jeff with Pie of Genius. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.